Today is a historic day for veterans care in America. The Veterans Health Administration, the largest health system in the country, will now cover the Alzheimer's drug, Leqembi. Eligibility for coverage of the costly treatment is granted to veterans in the early stages of Alzheimer's who meet specific VHA criteria, announced by biopharmaceutical company Eisai. Medicare, the insurance program for seniors which at this point will not cover the expensive treatment costing up to $26,500 per year, makes this change in coverage monumental. Eisai has completed its clinical trial and is expecting the Food and Drug Administration to provide full approval in July, although Medicare has agreed to provide broader coverage of Leqembi upon obtaining this full approval. Alzheimer's disease is a devastating illness, one affecting the lives of many. According to federal estimates, nearly 168,000 veterans had Alzheimer's disease in 2022. Leqembi is administered as an intravenous infusion twice a month, and is designed to target brain plaque associated with the disease. The late-stage trial saw a 27% decrease in cognitive decline in those with early Alzheimer's, however there are risks including brain swelling and bleeding. Eisai and Biogen, the co-developers of Leqembi, are now pushing forward for its widespread adoption through increased coverage and affordability. In the statement released Monday, Eisai expressed its hope for even more improvements in the quality of life for those living with Alzheimer's. For those looking for further news developments, advice, and resources related to Alzheimer's care, the Alzheimer's Association and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention can provide updates and information. For non-veterans, organizations like the American Association for Retired Persons and the Health Insurance Marketplace can provide assistance. Meanwhile, global biopharmaceutical companies continue to advance in their efforts to combat Alzheimer's. At Healthy Returns, a virtual conference on March 29, CEOs, scientists, investors, and innovators in the healthcare space will come together and discuss the progress made today to reinvent the future of medicine. The keynote will feature an exclusive rundown of the best investment opportunities in biopharma, health tech, and managed care. It is clear the pandemic has left a deep impact on the mental and physical health of millions of Americans. With the Veterans Health Administration's decision to provide coverage of Leqembi to qualifying veterans and more progress being made in the field of Alzheimer's care and research, this news highlights our commitment to finding better solutions and treatments for those living with Alzheimer's and other serious illnesses. As we continue to combat the global health crisis, we must ensure that we prioritize the care of our veterans and their families, for them and for us.